What's up, everybody? Andrew Undum, Sure Group of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. Today we're at 539 Canton Court, the newer side of Canton Court on the 3500 block of Fleet. I love these houses for so many reasons. First of all, it's an enormous property, loads of square footage, 2.5 car garage, and we're at one of the highest points in all of Canton. I can't wait to show you the 4th floor rooftop deck setup. Follow me. Before we go up to the 2nd floor, which is a wide open floor plan, I'd be remiss if I didn't show you the 2.5 car garage. So it's tandem, plus there's access to a private courtyard. So you have 2-car garage, maybe 2.5, tons of storage, courtyard, all here on the 1st floor, right off the front door, and you go right up to a wide open floor plan. Here we are on the 2nd floor. In the rear of the home, you have a really well-designed kitchen, abundant cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, cooktop double oven, a powder room, and another nook here with more cabinetry and granite countertops. I love the breakfast bar. You only get this amount of natural light on end units. Custom blinds everywhere, because if these were up, this place would just be flooded with light. But with the width and the depth, you have a formal dining room, huge family room, awesome kitchen, and it still flows so nicely in a wide open floor plan. The 3rd floor has 2 enormous suites. The 3rd floor has an additional suite, plus a family room and access to your rooftop deck. Let's go look at the 3rd floor. Welcome to the owner's suite on the 3rd floor. You have 5 full-size windows, king bed here, and then his and hers walk-in closets that lead you to your owner's bathroom. Double bowl vanity, all frameless glass, huge bench, powder room. This owner's suite really has it all. Also on this floor, an additional bedroom, bathroom, full-size laundry, and 2nd zone HVAC. These homes are efficient. Welcome to the 4th floor. That's right, it keeps going. Here's an additional family room, more cabinets, wet bars, high-end stainless steel appliances, your 3rd bed and bath up here on the 4th floor. And one of the coolest features is your access to your rooftop deck. So tons of glass, and you have a big deck out here, spiral staircase to an even bigger deck with unbeatable views. Again, we're at one of the highest points here at the 3500 block of Fleet here at 539 Canton Court. Let's check out the rooftop. Here we are on the top tier rooftop deck. Everything's composite, metal railings, composite decking, unobstructed views up here from Fort McHenry, straight through Silo Point, Locust Point, downtown, Patterson Park, Johns Hopkins. No obstructions up here. These are 10 out of 10 rooftop views. So if you're interested in over 2,400 square feet, 2-car garage, 3-bed, 3.5 bath, in an A+ Canton location, contact me, Andrew Undum, or anyone at the Sure Group. We'd love to show you this one and help you sell yours as well.